Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Hi, February's there. Maraming pong salamat sa panonood. Magandang gabi. Isa lamang talaga ang dapat nang mahalin. Dalawa kaming sabay na mayroong suliranin. Kung ang irong mo ay dalawa, palayain ang isa. Liligaya ng lubos ang iyong pagsinta. Hayaan mo siya'y humanap ng isa rin mapalad upang siya ay lumigaya rin sa wakas. Kung magkakayo, liligaya na kami. Di tulad ngayon, dalawa kami api. Kung ang irong mo ay dalawa, palayain ang isa. Liligaya ng lubos ang iyong pagsinta. Kung ang irong mo ay dalawa, palayain ang isa. Liligaya ng lubos ang iyong pagsinta. Liligaya ng lubos ang iyong yan, huwag damihan ang minamahal. Kung ang irog mo ay dalawa, palayain daw yung isa. O, bigay naman sa iba. Meron ka ng isa, tama na yan. Huwag nang doble-doblehin. Magbabasa po muna tayo ng comments. John Palos, thank you so much. El Mosora, Villamel, Chinga. Siya, hindi ko alam. I'm doing good, whoever this is. Bonifacio Las 12, thank you so much. Chavez, nabaliktad. Okay. Sir Joseph Esteban, Bonifacio Las 12, Princess Kesha. Mayang gabi! JM Yahoo, magandang gabi. Chavez na, Taan Pablito. Thank you so much. Hanap tayo ng ibang ganda dito. So, gusto ko talaga itong kanta ni Jim Capaldi. So, anything goes. I really like this song, Old Photographs. Yes, dahil kung kabalo ko dahil. Mabing Bisaya. Thank you so much. Cornelio Bonilla. Later on, sir. Yesterday I felt the wind blow around my shoulder. Feels like I'm getting older. Still I can't forget your face. Separated by a million miles of ocean, my heart still feels emotion, even in this lonely place. Old photographs and places I remember, just like a dying ember that's burned into my soul. Even though we walk the diamond-studded highways, is the country lanes and byways that makes us long for home. Marami pong salamat sa mga nanonood and thank you for sharing my videos. Maybe I just find my mind is turned to the weaving, making plans and scheming how I'm gonna get back home. But deep down inside I know it's really hopeless. This road I'm on is endless. We climb all mountains so long. Old photographs and places I remember, just like a dying ember that's burned into my soul. Even though we walk the diamond-studded highways, is the country lanes and byways that makes us long for home. Maraming pong salamat, Kirina Roberto. Thank you so much. Princess Sesha, pa-shout out the Tian family from Maria City Hall. Old photographs and places I remember, just like a dying ember that's burned into my soul. Even though we walk the diamond-studded highways, is the country lanes and byways that makes us long for home. Jenna Conde Ando, mayong gabi. Marami pong salamat. Rolando Peñaranda, Arian Bundalian, Danilo Carillo Dapoa, watching from Toronto. Dili po kabalo sa Andante Jebada. Salamat po kayo sa request. Needs Galse, Marcelita, J.R. Kuruda. Okay. Pag-itaw na ito karoon ng ikaw ang ligaya ko kay Kaya na ni Ray C.B. Kalim, watching from Oroquieta City, Christopher Puno Mubuga, Jessica Vio Vicente Manos. Shout out from Lake Jubilin Laher. Thank you so much for watching. Nantayin muna natin itong ano. The Way You Look Tonight by Michael Bublé. with your smile, someone, and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you, and the way you look tonight. With each word, your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And that love heavily comes and goes. It touches my foolish heart. You're lovely, never, never change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you just the way you look tonight. Mama Ana Orlando, thank you so much. Yan, Zuwaro, thank you so much. Kung alam mo po yung kanta, sir. Ronnie De Veras, thank you so much. Jovelyn Laher, thank you, thank you, thank you. Si Ray C.B. Kaali, watching from Oroquieta City. Si Ma'am Ruth Cedro is watching from Antipolo. Si Leon Manalo is watching from Batangas. Dindo Holgado, hindi ko masyadong kabisado ang Loving You. With each word, your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And that love that wrinkles your nose, it touches my foolish heart. Oh, lovely, don't you ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you just the way you look tonight. Just the way you look tonight. Hanapin ko muna yung Ikaw Ang Ligaya Ko. Pagkaganda ng mga kundima na ito eh. Sino po yung nag-request ng Ikaw Ang Ligaya Ko? Inday Tidalgo, watching from General Trias, Cavite. Thank you so much. Ikaw ang ligaya ko, panaligan mo ang giliw ko. Ngayon at kailan pa man ang aking pag-ibig di magbabago. Ikaw ay umasarin sa suyuan ay di magtataksi. Kahit buhay ay makitig, ang aking pagsuyo di magmamahal. sa buhay, sa'yo ay aking natagpuan. Kaya iyong paniwalaan na labis kitang minamahal. Ikaw ang ligaya ko, ang siyang lahat sa buhay ko. Kung nasa kandungan mo, parang nasa langit ang sarili ko. At sa habang may buhay, ang puso ko ay tanging sa iyo. Sana ay panaligan mo ang iyong pagmamahal, ang ligaya mo. Lahat ng hanap ko sa buhay, sa'yo ay aking natagpuan. Kaya iyong paniwalaan na labis kitang minamahal. Ikaw ang ligaya ko, ang siyang lahat sa buhay ko. Kung nasa kandungan mo, parang nasa langit ang sarili ko. At sa habang may buhay, ang puso ko ay tanging sa iyo. Sana ay panaligan mo ang iyong pagmamahal, ang ligaya ko. Sana ay panaligan mo ang iyong pagmamahal, ang ligaya ko. Thank you so much! May nag-request po kanina ng ano ba yan? Sige, pabalik-balik ko lang kinakanta itong tubod sa nauhang sapa. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Bisaya, jukay ko, ma'am. Tubod sa naughang sapa. Karaoke. Go. Para sa mga Bisaya. Tubod sa naughang sapa, nagisama sa aking luha. Naitos na unang malam, dingding mga mata, nagpabilig niya tong sapa, katuluhaw ng mga tumo, nga daw nang wala na paglaong, nga may tubig pang buwako. Bisaya mo na lang ta imong dalingan, aron malipay kining duhan. Ugo na mo akong dalingan, may paglaong pabagahan, nga mabahan katong sapa. Aron ang lumong mga lungha, mawalan na sa tawhaw. Bisaya mo dalangon ka imong dalingan, nga mabanhaw kadtong sapa aron ang lubong magalunghaw mawad-an na sa tawhaw kayang tughan ko nahisama sa naughan sa ayan, tapos na sinaughang sapa. May hanapin akong isang kanta kasi gustong gusto ko itong kanta ito eh. Hindi ko alam kung sinong kumanta. Ito, Alaala'y Nagbabalik. Susan Cuevas. Yan. Napakaganda ng mga kanta nung unang panahon. Pag-ibig kong ika'y nananabik sa init ng iyong yagang at halik. Kaya kahit nasa panaginip, alaala'y nagbabalik. Lungkot ang naramang nitong puso mula nang lumisan ka. Waring naglaho na ang kulay ng bawat makita. Ang buhay ko noon nakaisaya, ngayon ay walang sigla. Ano ang dahilan, sinta? Bakit nagbago ka? Kung nakasalaman ako sa'yo, sana'y patawarin mo. Kung nagkulang man ang pagtingin, ay pagbigyan ako. Hindi pakinggan mo ang puso na sumasamo sa'yo. Magbalik at damhin muli ang pagmamahal ko. Pag-ibig kong ika'y nananabik sa init ng iyong yakap at halik. Kaya kahit nasa panaginip, alaala'y nagbabalik. Daghang salamat. Thank you so much for sharing. Maraming salamat sa pag-share. Pasuyo po, baka pwedeng i-share. Thank you, thank you. Hiliyo, pakinggan mo ang puso na sumasamo sa'yo. Mabalik at damhin muli ang pagmamahal ko. Pag-ibig kong ika'y nananabik sa init ng iyong yakap at halik. Kaya kahit nasa panaginip, alaala'y nagbabalik. Pag-ibig kong ika'y nananabik sa init ng iyong yakap at halik. Kaya kahit nasa panaginip, alaala'y nagbabalik. nagbabalik, alaala'y nagbabalik, alaala'y nagbabalik. Yan. Okay. Hanap tayo ng ibang kanta. May nakita ko dyan request na Wildflower. Sige. Hanapin natin si Wildflower. Kasi itong mga kantang ito, pag kinakanta ko ito sa Wising, tapos ina-upload ko dyan sa aking page, nako, palagi ako nagka-copyright. Kaya wala na ako natirang kanta na ito ng Skylark. Okay. Sige, everyone can relate to this song. For watching, Lorenzo Pagalaran, Obay Jr., thank you. Just face the hardest times you could imagine. Many times her eyes fought back the tears. And when her youthful world was about to fall in, did you time her slender shoulder? For the weight of all her fears and the sorrow no one hears still brings a midnight silence in her ears. Let her cry, for she's a lady. Let her dream, for she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a free and gentle flower growing wild. And if by chance I should hold her, let me hold her for a time. But if allowed just one possession, I would pick her from the garden to be mine. Lolit Legaspi, thank you so much. Susan Cariaga Espiritu, thank you so much. Be careful how you touch her, for she awakens and sleeps the only freedom that she knows. And when you walk into her eyes, you won't believe the way she's always paying for a debt she never owes. And a silent will still knows that only she can hear, and so she goes. Let her cry, for she's some lady. Let her dream, but she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a free and gentle flower growing wild. Let her cry, for she's a lady. Let her dream, but she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a free and gentle flower growing wild. Ayan, thank you so much. May isa ko nakita doon, you mean everything to me. Everything to me. Pero okay, this is Neil Sedaka. Sige, kakantayin natin yan. Si Neil Sedaka, you mean everything to me. Thank you so much. You are the answer to my lonely prayer. You are an angel from above. I was so lonely till you came to me with the wonder of your love. I don't know how I ever lived before. You are my life, my destiny, all my darling. You mean everything to me. You should ever go away. There would be lonely tears to cry. The sun above will never shine again. There would be teardrops in the sky. So hold me close and never let me go, and say our love will always be. Oh my darling, I love you so. You mean everything to me. So hold me close and never let me go, and say our love will always be. Oh my darling, I love you so. You mean everything to me. Another request na nabasa ko kanina is ano gayon? It takes too long. Okay. Di ko na maano. It takes too long. Para itong kantang ito ay para ito sa mga hindi maka-move on. It takes too long to learn to live alone. Nasaan ang mga I'll leave the house, I'll catch the bus and go to work the way I did before. The same routine, most of the days that I guess I see my folks much more. A year has passed, I thought by now that I could make a new life of my own, but habits are so hard to break. I think of you, and I'm still late. It takes too long to learn to live alone. It's really bad when Friday comes, because I know the weekend lies ahead. The walks we took, the football games, and when it rained, how late we stayed in bed. I've done so much to change the house say goodnight, it takes too long to learn to leave alone. I go on dates, but when I do, I always find before the days are through the same old thing. Behind my smile, I'm sitting there comparing him to you. And in the end, it's always you I feel it even more when I get home. I thought that I was free of you, but I was wrong. I never knew it takes too long to learn to leave alone. And in the end, it's always you I feel it even more when I get home. I thought that I was free of you, but I was wrong. I never knew it takes too long to learn to leave alone. Ayan. Karaoke, it takes too long. Susunod. Sige. Magkanta ko na Shirley Bassey. Hindi ko na ma-follow kasi yung mga requests. Kasi sobrang dami na pong comments. I cannot follow anymore. Scholastic Katakutan, thank you. Ramil Rana, Luisito Liarenas, Gang Tapinet, Henson, thank you so much for watching. Sis Faith Andres, thank you so much. Romeo Cuevas, maraming pong salamat. Cuevas, sir, maraming Cuevas dito sa amin. Larena Sikimor. Gel Gayaso, Love Takes Time. Nako, yung kantang yan, kay Mariah Caray. Try ko yan mamaya. Eric Simeon at Yanza, marami na akong uploads niyang She's Cancer. Yung Help, nakanta ko na din. Mamaya, pag meron pa tayong time. Ang Scholastic Katakutan from Davao de Oro. Kasi, gusto kong mag-Shirley Bassey. Mag-Shirley Bassey karaoke ako. Ito, This Is My Life, Shirley Bassey. Funny how a lonely day can make a person say, what good is my life? Funny how a breaking heart can make me start to say, what good is my life? Funny how I often seem to think I'll find another dream in my life. Till I look around and see this big great world is part of me and my life. This is my life. Today, tomorrow, Lord can find me. But that's the way that I was born to be. This is me. This is me. This is my of what a mess I've made of my life. Crying over my mistakes, forgetting all the breaks I've had in my life. I was put on earth to be a part of this great world. Is me and my life. Guess I've just out this car and count the things I'm grateful for in my life. This is my life. Today, tomorrow, love will come and find me. But that's the way that I was born to be. This is me. This is me. This is my life. And I don't give it down but lost emotions. And such a lot of love I've got to give. Let me live. Let me live. This is my life. This is my life. This is my life. Yan, this is my life. Napakaganda ng kanta. Buhay ko ito. Let me live. Let me live. Okay. Ito, ganda rin itong kanta ito. Shirley Bangsing ang trip ko ngayon. Minsan ko Ledesma, minsan si Sharon. I'd like to run away from you, but if you never found me, I would die. I'd like to break the chains you put around me, but I know I'll never be. You stay away and all I do is wonder why the hell I wait for you. But when did common sense prevail for the lovers when we know it never will? Impossible to live with you, but I know I could never live without you. Oh, whatever you do, I never, never, never want to be in love with anyone but you. You never treat me like you should, so what's the good of loving as I do? Although you always laugh at love, nothing else would be good enough for you. Impossible to live with you, but I know I could never live without you. For whatever you do, I never, never, never want to be in love with anyone but you. You make me laugh, you make me cry, you make me live, you make me die for you. You make me sing, you make me sad, you make me glad, you make me mad for you. I love you, hate you, but I want you till the world stops turning. For whatever you do, I never, never, never want to be in love with anyone but you. I love you, hate you, I love you, hate you, but I will love you until the world stops turning. Hello! Magbabasa po ng Flor Montesclaros from Tarlac. Gloria Factor watching from Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Juanedo Balonzo. Aki. Si I who have nothing. Again, pangitao na ito ni si I who have nothing. Kasi surely base din ito eh. Mga kates-pieces man ako ang drive kang mariuna. I who have nothing, I who have no one, adore you and want you serve. I'm just no one with nothing to give you around. I love you. You buy diamonds, bright, sparkling diamonds. But believe me, dear, when I say that she can give you the world, but she'll never love you the way I love you. You can take her any place you want, to fancy clubs and restaurants, but I can only watch you read my nose pressed up against the window pane. I who have nothing, I who have no one, must watch you go dancing by, wrapped in the arms of somebody else, when finally time who loves you. Hello everyone! Ayan, natapos na pala siya. Yun lang pala. Itong kantang ito, surely base ba din? Ito yung unang kanta na sumali ako sa contest kasi I had no other choice then. We were required to present something, tapos I was the president. Wala akong kakilala sa aking mga miyembro ng klase. So ayun, ako na lang ang kumanta. Ito ang kinanta ko dati. Ito yung naging dahilan kung bakit nagsimula na akong sumali-sali, pero ayun lang akong hindi. Pinapalista lang ako dati ng ating mga kaklase kapag merong Tapos na po yung yung This Is My Life. Tonight I gave the greatest performance of my life. I never lost control, I played the part so well that not a single soul could tell that I was lying. So I gave a party. I know I meant to show the all I've gotten over you. And though I saw the unbelieving looks on all their faces, I had to try to make them think that it was true. So I, who hardly danced through the night just like a gypsy, and I, who seldom drank like a fish till I was high, and I, who hadn't laughed since God knows when I've loved Fliachi, till they lived it more than even I. Tonight I gave the greatest performance of my life. I never lost control, I played the part so well that not a single soul could tell that I was lying. But love, if you had been behind the curtain when it fell, when all the lights were out and I was all alone, you would have seen this actress crying. Yes, tonight I gave the greatest performance of my life. I never lost control, I played the part so well that no single soul could tell that I was lying. But love, if you had been behind the curtain when it fell, and all the lights were out and I was all alone, you would have seen this actress crying. You would have seen this actress crying. Thank you so much. Hanap tayo ulit ng ibang kanta. Okay. I did it my way. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friends, I say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I believe life that's full of trouble each and every highway, but more, much more than this, I did it God's way. Did it my way, God's way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each chartered course, each careful step along with the byway, but much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times did it my way. Now, I refuse to take the credit dahil alam natin lahat kung saan galing ang mga grasya na tinatamasa natin ngayon. Iyon ay galing po sa Diyos. May nag-request kanina, any song from The Carpenter. So, Jambalaya, kakatayin ko. Sinking daw, sinking. Pamilyar sa yung kanta nito? I'm nothing special, in fact, I'm a bit of a bore. If I tell a joke, you've probably heard it before, that I have a talent, a wonderful thing, 'cause everyone listens when I start to sing. I'm so grateful and proud. All I want is to sing it out. little girl with golden voice. Black long hair. I wanna sing it out to everybody. What a joy, what a night, what a chance. Thank you for using the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Hope you live without, I ask in honesty. What would life be without a sound or dance what I read? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. Thank you for the music and for giving it to me. Yan. Ang request din ito. Dami ko ng iba-ibang trip. Pasensya po sa hindi mababasa kasi hindi ko po ma-follow yung mga yung mga comments. Try natin to. Looking out for the place to go, where we play the right music, getting in sweet, you come for me. Anybody could be that guy. The night is young and the music's high. With a beat of rock music, everything's fine. You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. You can dance, you can shine, having the time of your life. Digging the dancing day. Okay. Dahil sinimulanan din lang natin ito sa abad, maghahanap tayo ng ama. Mamaya na ako magbabasa ng comments. Hindi ko talaga hindi ko na masundan. Kasi sobra na pong dami. Basta mayan, till we meet again. Where is the spring and the summer that once was yours and mine? Where did it go? I just don't know. But still my love for you will live forever. Hasta mañana till we meet again. Don't know where, don't know where. Darling, our love was much too strong to die. We'll find a way to face a new tomorrow. Hasta mañana, say we'll meet again. I can't do without you. Time to forget, send me letters, say forgive. The sooner the better. Hasta mañana, baby. Hasta mañana, until then. Where is the tree we were dreaming, and all the nights we shared? Where did they go? I just don't know. And I can tell you just how much I miss you. Hasta mañana till we meet again. Don't know where, don't know where. Darling, our love was much too strong to die. We'll find a way to face a new tomorrow. Hasta mañana, say we'll meet again. I can't do without you. Time to forget, send me a letter, say forgive. The sooner the better. Hasta mañana, baby. Hasta mañana, until then. Hasta mañana, say we'll meet again. I can't do without you. Time to forget, send me a letter, say forgive. Sooner the better. Hasta mañana, baby. Hasta mañana, until then. Thank you so much for watching. Maraming salamat. Hahanapin ko rin si Fernando. Kakanta ko na lang yung iba. Ang gaganda po kasi ng mga kanta ng ng ABBA. Yung mga lumang kanta, napakaganda po pakinggan. Ayan, sinking daw. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Mamaya ko na babasahin yung mga comments. Can you hear the drums beating up? I remember long ago, another sunny night like this. In the firelight, Fernando, You were humming to yourself when softly strumming your guitar. I could hear the distant drums and sounds the bugle calls were coming from afar. They were closing out Fernando. Every hour, every minute seemed to last eternally. I was so afraid, Fernando. We were young and full of life, but none of us prepared to die. And I'm not ashamed to say that all of us depend so much that made me cry. There was something in the air that night. The stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining down for you and me, for liberty, Fernando. Oh, we never thought that we could lose. There's no regret. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. Now we're old and gray, Fernando. Since many years I haven't seen a rifle in your hand. Can you hear the drums, Fernando? Do you still recall the frightful night before us, the Rio Grande? I can see it in your eyes, how proud you were to fight for freedom in this land. There was something in the air that night. The stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining down for you and me, for liberty, Fernando. No, we never thought that we could lose. There's no regret. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. There was something in the air that night. The stars were bright, Fernando. They were shining down for you and me, for liberty, Fernando. No, we never thought that we could lose. There's no regret. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. Yes, if I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. If I had to do the same again, I would, my friend Fernando. Thank you so much. Maraming pong salamat sa mga nanonood dyan. We already have 131 viewers as of this moment. Maraming pong salamat. Another ABBA hit. Maraming pong salamat at maraming pong salamat sa shares. Paki-share na aking video para makuha ko yung 60K minutes per live. Maraming salamat in advance. Tell me what's wrong. You're enchained by your own sorrow. In your eyes, there is no hope for tomorrow. How I hate to see you like this. There is no way you can deny it. I shoulder you can cry on. You're the strength of the one you must rely on. You were always sure of yourself. Now I see you broken a feather. It up together. Chiquitita, you and I know how the heart's gonna let go of the stars and leaving. You'll be dancing once again, and the pain you left, you'll have no time for breathing. Chiquitita, you and I so the walls came tumbling down, and your love's all blown up and down. Oh, he's gone, and it seems too hard to get up. Chiquitita, tell me the truth. There is no you'll be dancing once again, and the pain feeling, you will have no time for breathing. Chiquitita, you and I cry, but the sun is still in the sky and shining above you. Let me hear you sing once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Try once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Try once more, like you did before. Sing a new song, Chiquitita. Little girl. Little girl. Mahaba pa rin. Napakaganda ng mga kanta nila. I have a dream. We all have dreams. Thank you. This song to sing, to help you cope with anything. If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can take the future, even if you fail. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels when I know the time is right for me. My heart angels. When I know the time is right for me, I'll cross the street. I have a dream. I'll cross the street. I have a dream. Tayo lahat ay meron po tayong mga dreams. We all have dreams in mind. Babasahin ko muna yung mga greetings na andito. Damel Acosta, Nanay Benita Matugas Argente, thank you so much po. Sheldon Robson, thank you. Thank you so much. Jazelle D. Diolos, thank you. Fernando, tapos na po si Fernando. Jerry Vargas, thank you so much. Nilda Abelia, Brent Garcia, thank you so much. Hello, si Zenona Dorado, maraming salamat. Ronaldo Agpasa, Zairel Kuya, thank you so much. Jeronimo Alejandro, Serutla Alturas ng Judicial, Drash Nicholas, thank you so much. Hindi ko na talaga masundan yung mga comments. Kasi sobrang dami na po yung comments. Hindi ko na masundan. Hindi na kaya ng powers. Ito. Paborito itong i-request ng iba. Skeeter Davis. Hello, good evening. Erle Kinugawa. Thank you. Mari Padi. Why does the sun go on shining? Why does the sea rush to shore? Don't they know it's the end of the world? 'Cause you don't love me anymore. Why do the birds go on singing? Why do the stars glow above? Don't they know it's the end of the world? It ended when I lost your love. I wait does my heart go on beating? Why do these eyes of mine cry? Though they know it's the end of the world, it ended when you said goodbye. The way it does. Why does my heart go on beating? Why do these eyes of mine cry? Though they know it's the end of the world, it ended when I heard you say goodbye. Hello, good evening. Tolentino Antique from Davao. Yeah. Anong oras na ba? Okay. Okay. Damela Costa, Bel Miranda, maraming pong salamat sa panunood. It's already 9:15. Nandito po sa probinsya kapag alas 9 na. Tulog na po ang mga tao. Bukas ulit, I'm going to... Hello? Sheldon Robson, I haven't heard of this because I only sing live on Facebook. Bukas po ulit, I'm going to take note of the requests. Kasi malapit na mag-alas 10, tulog na po yung mga kapitbahay, baka tayo batuhin. Pagkikita po tayo ulit bukas, marami pong salamat. Kasi as of the moment, pagkatapos ko po mag-live dito, magre-research pa po ako. Kasi actually, nililiman ko lang yung sarili ko sa pagkanta. Dahil kailangan kong tapusin ang chapter 1 ng aking thesis this week. Ayan, magre-research pa po pagkatapos ito. Maraming pong salamat sa panonood. Pasuyo po, bago po ninyo i-click, bago po ninyo i-exit, paki-share naman. Thank you so much.